Hi everyone! The holiday season is finally here and I couldn't be more excited. With Black Friday and Cyber Monday just around the corner, I've been hunting for the perfect gifts and honestly, a little something for myself too. That's why I'm so excited to share that Firmoo's Black Friday promotion is coming soon with some amazing discounts. Today, I want to show you two frames that I absolutely love and think you'll fall in love with too. Let's jump in. Okay, first up is the S52617 in black and clear, C44. These are such a versatile pair of glasses. The sleek, modern design makes them perfect for everyday wear, whether you're dressing up or keeping it casual. And the best part, they're only $39, and they come with a free scratch-resistant lens coating. I've been wearing them with my go-to casual looks, and they just work. Now, if you're looking for something bold and elegant, the ST985 in black and gold C1 is a game changer. These cat eye frames are super stylish and have this beautiful gold detailing that adds such a classic touch. What I really love is that they're made with acetate and metal materials, so they're durable and super lightweight. With $39 with the same free scratch lens coating, they're a total steal. I've been pairing these with dressier outfits and they just elevate any look. I hope you loved these frames as much as I do. If you're ready to snag your favorite, don't wait. Use my exclusive link in the description box below and code WMZU50 to grab these beauties at an amazing price. And don't forget, Firmoo's Black Friday sale is coming soon, so stay tuned for even more savings. Happy holidays and happy shopping!